Hello, I'm Peter from Tatum, and in this video I will show you how easy it is to use Tatum.js SDK to create webhook notifications that will be fired based on blockchain events. I've created this small Node.js application with tatum.com/js package already installed. For showcase purposes, I'll be using Ethereum blockchain and Ethereum Sepolia testnet. We will be going through notification, subscribe, incoming native TX. This method accepts just two arguments. One of them is address, which is the blockchain address that we will be monitoring. And second one is URL, which is the address towards which we will be sending webhooks. I will use webhook site, like so, and we can run the example. As you can see, notification was created. Now I will take this address and I will use my MetaMask wallet to send some tokens there. Transaction is pending now, and it is sent. Now our scanners should pick it up and we will send the webhook. As you can see, webhook notification was sent. Here's the address that we were monitoring, plus some additional details. I hope this helps. You can find more about this and other methods in our documentation. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.